Hello, everyone. Look at the Bitcoin daily on screen. If you bought at this price, is that Bitcoin really yours? Up to now, we've covered how to trade. Starting today, we cover where your assets sit, who holds them, and how you protect them. For most beginners, the biggest losses aren't from price drops. They're from hacks, phishing, and exchange failures. Follow what we cover today, and you can dodge a large share of the operational risks that wipe people out, often estimated around 80% of the non-market risks. Where you buy crypto comes in two big flavors. First is a centralized exchange, a CX, places like Binance or Coinbase, where a company holds your assets for you. Think of it like a bank. Second is a decentralized exchange, a DX, Uniswap and similar venues. Your wallet trades peer-to-peer on-chain with someone else's wallet. The exchange never custodies your coins. Picture it this way. Centralized means a custodian is responsible for your money. Decentralized means you hold the house keys yourself. Convenience and responsibility sit on opposite ends. CX is easy, but you must trust the platform 100%. DX is freer, but every mistake is entirely on you. History shows the trade-off. Events like the 2022 Terra UST collapse and major exchange hacks turned CX strengths into weaknesses. Centralized venues carry hack and bankruptcy risk. DX venues carry phishing and user error loss risk. Neither is perfect. Like the Ethereum daily on screen, where you park assets matters. Wallets come in three setups. A hot wallet stays online, a MetaMask app on your phone so you can trade anytime. Look at your phone. Whatever lives there is a hot wallet. Open MetaMask and you can move funds immediately. Upside, speed. Downside, higher hack risk because it's always connected. A cold wallet is a hardware device like Ledger or Trezor, a USB-style unit kept offline, so remote hacks are effectively blocked. Downside, friction, you plug it in every time. Third option, leave coins on an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Most convenient, and if that exchange fails or gets hacked, you can lose everything. Rule of thumb, money you trade often stays in a hot wallet speed. Money you move a few times a month stays in a personal hot wallet middle ground. Money you won't touch for years belongs in a cold wallet safety. Balance convenience against security. Like the Coinbase Bitcoin USD chart on screen, security is non-negotiable on every major US and global exchange. Defense has 3 layers. First, passwords, 12+ characters, mix upper and lowercase, numbers and symbols, and use a different one on every exchange. Second, two-factor authentication, 2FA. After your password, you enter a 6-digit code that rotates every few seconds in an authenticator app. Say your password is QWERTY12 and the app shows 834,521. You need both to get in. Why it works. Even if a hacker steals your password, they're locked out without the 2FA code. Accounts with 2FA on are rarely breached. Third, a withdrawal whitelist. You pre-register, only send to these addresses. Even if someone cracks your password, they can't drain funds to a new address. Summary. Password, weak alone, plus 2FA, medium, plus whitelist, strong, equals a 3-layer defense. Like the Binance Bitcoin futures daily on screen, exchanges sit on the front line of your assets. A large share of account takeovers aren't sophisticated hacks, they're phishing. Fake sites that trick you into typing your password. Example, you get an email titled, Binance Notice, account verification required. You click the link, land on a lookalike page, type your password, and you're done. Read the URL. Binance.com and b1nance.com, the letter I swapped for the digit 1, are different sites. Like a street address, 1 character off and you're somewhere else entirely. Defense is simple. First, never click email links. Open the official app yourself, or use a bookmark you saved earlier. Second, read the URL carefully. If anything feels off, check it character by character. Third, remember this, exchanges never ask for your password by email. Any message that does is a scam 100% of the time. Delete it. Like the Bitcoin Weekly on screen, think long-term. Park everything in one place and you lose it all when that place fails. Same as keeping your entire rent and grocery budget in a single bank account. A practical split looks like this. Divide your crypto into 3 buckets. First, trading capital, about 10 to 15%, kept only on your exchange account, just enough for day-to-day trades. Second, short-term storage, about 30 to 40% in a personal hot wallet, the amount you might move once or twice a week. Third, long-term storage, about 45 to 60% in a cold wallet, assets you won't touch for years. Concretely, if you hold $10,000 in crypto, roughly $1,000 for trading, $3,500 short-term, $5,500 long-term. That principle is the core of crypto custody. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread risk, so a single failure can't wipe you out. Let's wrap up. With the Bitcoin Daily still on screen, remember, whether exchange or wallet, trust and convenience trade off against each other. Centralized is convenient, but you must trust the platform. Decentralized spreads risk, but every mistake is on you. Nothing is 100% safe. So the smart move is diversification. Mix a centralized exchange, a personal hot wallet, and a cold wallet. Strong passwords, 2FA always on, and never click phishing links. Crypto offers high upside alongside high volatility and risk. Follow the security principles in this lesson, and you can avoid a large share of the preventable losses. This lesson is for education only, not investment advice.